Good morning, Andrew here from Conqueror Electrical, and today we're going to talk about garage panel wiring and how to wire garage. So the first thing you're going to want to look at is what size sub panel you're going to want to bring from the house. In this case, we brought 60 amps out from the house and we buried it underground. So as you can see, the inside of the panel, let's get this camera straight, has a 100 amp breaker. So this is just a disconnecting means. Inside it's actually fused at 40, 50 or 60 depending on the customer's needs. So what we did here was we used tech cable coming from the house and we buried it in outside in a trench. More on that in a minute. Just want to show you guys around. Basically, the customer has 3 switches here for a few outside lights and a couple of plugs. I'm going to flip the camera around here if I can. No, I guess I can't. So as you can see, we have some plugs around the garage. We just use standard 15 amp outlets for bench plugs and ran a number of circuits. We also ran some garage door opener plugs so the customer can make use of those, as you can see. And we just provided basic lamp holders with these new 3-style LED fixtures, which I'll put a link in the description for the website. So you guys can go on Amazon and buy those. Oh, and hey guys, don't forget these videos take a lot of work, so please like and subscribe to the video or come right over to the website. So when talking in terms of the panel, and you have a sub panel or a sub feed from the house out to the workshop or panel, the best thing to do is make sure you get it at your proper local supplier. And also we have the, this is actually a panel with a 100 amp main in it. We have the bond disconnected inside, so it goes separately to the casing. And we just have regular breakers inside this panel. So out here you can see our trenching from the garage to the house, or the house to the garage. Now, you need a minimum of 450 millimeters or 18 inches where this is in a non-vehicle area. So at the bottom of the trench, you're going to need to put 6 inches of sand and also some burial tape as you get to the top. And we've also provided a nice little generator outlet here for the customer, so that they can put a proper generator panel inside. So of course this trench needs to be all backfilled. The pipes sticking up out are for the inspector, so he can stick a measuring tape or a tape down in there to see how far down we are. And again, we need to be down 18 inches. And the LBs at either end are just to sleeve the tech cable, just to give it a more aesthetically pleasing look. Yeah. So inside here is the main panel where we're going to tie the garage into. You can see your piece of tech cable coming down in here at the bottom. So your neutral is going to go on your neutral bar. This is a square D panel. And your ground is going to go right to the casing. And then the red and the black are going to go to 2 hots, which we're going to put under a breaker right in that spot there. So yeah, this is actually what's going to feed the garage.